Hi, so we just finished this project, and what is going on in this project is we are trying to restrict the number of slots. So, for example, this is to schedule the children time slots. Okay, so for example, if this parent is trying to book a slot for the fourth grade, I click on next, and then you can see over here that this Friday 6 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. is available. So I select that, and if I click on submit, if this is the last form submission, so right now what I have set it to do is, like, if enough number of people have already selected this slot, then it will be removed automatically from the Google form, and I'll show you the in action. Okay, so I click on submit. So Friday I selected, right? Let's select another test name. And if I go to fourth, then you can see over here that Friday is no longer there. So this is in the Google form. What we are doing is we are checking if enough number of people have already booked the slots. Then we are removing the slot from the form itself so that they can no longer choose that slot.